And maayong gabi mga ka-Asenso. Welcome sa itong Mayor Samico Asenso Business Cup Season 2, the finals. Season 2, which is ang finals. Gagidulaan sa Chikis RY Builders and sa atong number 1 team. And Holoyohoy nakawala. Na Bert Marsilva umatake from left to right, no good. Rebound by Holoyohoy, and now Holoyohoy to Bert Marsilva. Bert Marsilva for 3, kablam. Mga ka-Asenso, giving Sandokloy a 2-point lead. Now Tarosa, drop pass to Mutia, jumper is good. Alcantara, jumper no good. Holoyohoy with offensive rebound. Dimapilis with offensive rebound, and the reverse layup is good. Castro to Mutia. Cross court pass, ball stolen by Holoyohoy. And Holoyohoy with the basket.
Yes, from Manila also. Para di na gyud mo reklamo ang mga team no nga unsay sayo pagtawag sa referee. Ato gisiguro nga wa gyud complain. So kanang duha diya sa Manila na sa PBA na nga mga referee. Yes. And then how I wish no nga ma-enjoy yung tanan katanaw. Nagtinagutlo na ni upat na gini ka kamera na diri ron para nga bisag asa nga angle na agay makita gyud sa tao. Okay?
And daghan kayong salamat, Mayor, sa imong mensahe. And now Steve Castro, acrobatic shot, no good. Gets offensive rebound, bola na agaw ni Holoyohoy. And now Villarosa, wide open. Kablam! Otero gets the ball. Otero to Duay Lungsod. Botohan for 3, kablam! Osenya missed the 3-pointer. Osenya to Fulencio, to Holoyohoy. Holoyohoy to Alcantara. Back to Osenya. Osenya for 3. Kablam! Inside pass stolen by Tarosa, and now Arias on the run. Layup is good. Now Butohan with the ball. Butohan with a jumper. Basket is good. Silva. Dumirecho. Holoyohoy with the basket. Villarosa. Jumper. Basket is good. And Butohan with the basket. Inside pass to Butohan. Nails the basket at may kasama pang foul. Otero with the ball. To Butohan. Arias. Castro fires a 3-pointer. Kablam! Villarosa with the ball. Villarosa for 3. Kablam! Opsima with the ball. Gingoyon to Di Mapiles. Basket is good. Bola nakuha ni Villarosa to Alcantara. Layup is good. Butuhan to Tarosa. Fadeaway is good. And Butuhan with a basket.
League winners. And mga ka-Asenso, I get a privilege chatting with Coach Jong Piscador kanina of the Chiquis Arwa og Opensa. And mga ka-Asenso, sabi rin ng the whole team that they will just enjoy the game no matter what it takes. Kaya maura to mga ka-Asenso.
With the ball. And Tarosa with the basket. And now Arias. And Arias ties the ball game. Arias with a jumper. Basket is good. Layup missed. Bola nakuha ni Otero. Ball stolen by Villarosa. Seconds to play sa the third quarter. Osenya block. Castro, jumper, basket is good. Holoyohoy. Basket missed. Bertmar Silva with a basket. And a steal by Otero. Arias to Castro. Castro with a basket. And Villarosa with a basket. Alcantara to Villarosa, blocked by Arias. And Villarosa with a basket. Bola nakuha ni Silva to Villarosa. Villarosa, 6 straight points para kay Villarosa. And Castro with a back. And Villarosa with a 3-pointer. Now Otero with the ball. Tumutya. To Otero. Otero missed a 3-pointer. Bola nakuha ni Castro to Otero. Otero for 3. Missed. And Bertmar Silva was fouled. And that was our game 1 winner, Sanduk Loy. Our final score 58-62. And our game 2 will be tomorrow, mga ka-Asenso, in this best of 5 final series.